What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is actually going to be pretty fun. We are taking the M4 competition with all this new titanium, the M4 Need for Speed wrap. Unfortunately, we couldn't take the R8, but we are going to the Toy Barn Car Meet in Columbus. We got invited by one of our buddies that lives down there. So let's go ahead and get a cold start on the M4 and start heading down there. This thing sounds really good, but if you guys have been watching the videos, we just put Canadian Auto Performance downpipes on my buddy's G80 M3, and we actually have some cap downpipes for this too, and I cannot wait to get them on. This thing is going to sound insane. One thing I just realized I should grab out of the M340 is this, and honestly, let's just bring the good old draggy just in case. You never know. And we got to fill up as per usual with every car. Today I'm guessing $38. Let's see. 40 bucks. I was pretty close.
Just wanted to tell you that thing is gorgeous.
Thank you, man. I really appreciate it. See, you're not ugly, M4. Let's see if we can't get a 60 to 130 here. We are in Mexico now. Felt really slow, and that was a 12-second 60 to 130. Weird. All right, we'll let everything cool off, and then we'll try another one. I don't know what happened there. That was really terrible. All right, here's try number 2. There's too big of a hill, dude. Oh my god. All right, seriously, attempt number 2 now. .3. I don't know what is going on. I think that these tires, I'm just spinning. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, man. That's really weird. 11.3, dude. I was hitting 9s before. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know what's going on. I feel like before I put this car away for the winter, I put on a CS tune and a CS DCT tune. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't think that tune is feeling as good as the normal comp tune did. So I might throw on an MHD Stage 1 tune this weekend and see if we can get a better time, because, I mean, we do have a lot of added weight. We probably have 100 more pounds of weight. And the wing, the downforce from the wing too. I don't know, man. Something just doesn't feel right though. That run did feel really good, but I was in low 9s with like everything stock. I don't know. Yeah, so that time is not gonna do. We're uploading a tune because I did some research, and apparently when you do front mounts, you're supposed to put a tune on it. I have the CS tune on it, but I don't think that counts, so let me load this up. All right, so we've got the good old Stage 1 93 octane. Let's double check our options. I can't believe I'm doing this right now. Stock downpipes, remove max speed, yep. We're gonna change the aggressiveness of the burbles down to 2000. Max speed, 99 miles an hour, sure, whatever. Startup roar, yes. Exhaust flap always open, yes. Ignition coils OEM. Port injection, no. Single bank fueling, no. Yeah, I think that this should be good. Let's go ahead and flash it. All right, well, that's fixed now. Let's see what Stage 1 feels like, because that is just not gonna cut it, to be honest. Okay, this feels like the car felt when I bought it, to be honest. I think the CS tune ruined it, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god. Wow, this... Yo, this has a lot more power now. Okay. Alright, let me mess with all my settings for my drive mode, and I'll get back to you guys. So, new thing. Listen to these burbles. We actually have some burbles now. It's actually kind of nice. Let's see, I'll get on it a little bit here to get used to it. Let's see how different it really is. I don't know if it's gonna be really that different. If these people would literally go, maybe find the gas pedal, I don't know. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, that's a lot different. Yo, okay, this is ridiculous, bro. I honestly think that this car had a stage 1 tune on it when I bought it. Because this feels, when I put the CS tune on it, it felt more like calm. I don't know how to explain it, but dude, this is something. This is something. All right, let's get a little trial run on entry to highway here. God, this thing feels a lot peppier, bro. A lot peppier. I mean, dude, I'm just on this guy instantly. I'm not even gonna get to do a trial run, dude. Yeah, it definitely has a lot more pep to it. All right, we're chilling. All right, here we go. Bro, what the hell is going on? Dude, there's gotta be like some sort of boost leak or something, or maybe I'm spinning, maybe it's the tires, I don't know. Maybe I have a boost leak. Bro, I don't know, man, something ain't right. I don't know, running 11s when I was running 9s. Something's not adding up, I don't get it. Maybe it is just the extra weight, or maybe it's the wing. Maybe the wing is slowing me down a lot. Might have to take the wing off, dude. I don't know, man. Something is not making sense. So I just realized I am stupid and I have not had the car in either MDM mode or traction off, and I always did when I did runs. So let's try that. All right, yeah, let's see if that makes a difference. I'm guessing it will. Oh, 100%. There's no way that didn't. Yeah, 10.53. Okay, so we cut off like almost an entire second. I'll take that, and honestly, I'm gonna blame the rest on the wing. What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
Nice Camaro.
Thanks, dude. Twin turbo.
Yeah. All right, so it's the morning of the Toy Barn. Oh my God, I can't say Toy Barn. All right, so it's the morning of the Toy Barn car meet. Let's go ahead, hop in this thing, and get on the road because are we a little bit late?
Very.
Very? We're very late. Like, actually?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, yeah, so we're very late, so let's get this thing started. Oh God. All right. Yeah, if you guys couldn't tell, I'm not a morning person. That's why we don't really ever see any morning car meets on the channel, but here we are, so. Oh God, the intake sounds so good. Good news about an M4 comp is it'll wake you up. God, just spinning in second, obviously. God, the intake sounds so good though. Yeah, this stage 1 tune definitely woke it up 100%. God, dude. Oh my God, on the downshift. Oh my God, that's funny. I'm just spinning, man. I was spinning in third. That thing's actually not slow. The Vollister N. Yes, sir. God, dude, I'm spinning at 70. Like, bro, what am I supposed to do? Really? God dang, I need some tires, bro. To be fair, it is 50 degrees out, but god dang, dude, spinning at 70, unacceptable for real. Yeah, it was spinning a little bit there without boost even.
Yo, get behind me because there's some cool roads up here.
All right, I was making sure that if they wanted rollers that they could get some too. Let the Type R get some moving rollers and then let the Hyundai go. You want to hear a brake boost, dude?
Yeah.
Here, once I see what's around this corner, I'll do it.
Yeah.
All right, yeah.
There might be a cop up here. I don't know why he's slowing down.
I'm just spinning, dude. I was just spinning at 80. That's insane. Oh, I just ran over a squirrel, dude. I definitely think that those 6130 times, I was losing a lot of time to spinning because it's like 51 degrees out, so almost the same temperature, and I'm just spinning like at 80, so it's like, you know. God dang, this thing is just spinning, bro. The backfires sound so good. Oh my god, this car, man. This car. Oh, I love it. Dude, that's obviously not flooring it because we're just spinning, but dude, the brake boost sounds so good now. What's the retail on one of those things? That's crazy. Dude, the V6 Camaro gets it, bro. It is just Spin City in this. Oh my god. I'm just spinning, dude. God, I wish this thing was hooking up today, but it's just not. I need new tires so bad, bro. These roads are beautiful, though. This scenery's been, like, pretty nice this whole way. Like, dude, that looks sick. So far, the Stage 1 tune is, like, holding up fine, though. No major issues so far. Honestly, it kind of just feels like the car did stock. I don't know. I do definitely feel like there was a tune on this when I bought it. There's no way there wasn't. Did that cop turn around on me, bro? Bro's coming for me, 100%. Oh god, he's gonna get my ass. Hey, he's chill. Bro's chill for real. Nice M2, bro. God dang. Yeah, we're parking in the grass, but No mud, so we're chilling. Dude, there's some nice cars here. There's a lot of M cars. Where is Brock going? All right, so we are here. Yeah, bro just said don't go forward. God damn. Yeah, that'll be a new front lip for me, but yeah, we got some actually pretty cool parking, so we're gonna have some sick pictures, dude. Oh my God, under the trees. That was a good cruise though, dude.
Yeah, it was a good time.
Like the
nice, scenic.
Yeah, I was gonna say the scenery there was pretty sick. Dude, the V6 Camaro gets it. Like, it is as fast as the M4.
Here's what you gotta do.
Because you're hooking up, I'm spinning. It's like you're right beside me.
Well, you just gotta like drive your tires until they're bald so it spins, so that it looks like you've got a V8.
Yeah, exactly.
That's my philosophy.
But no, dude, this M2 is freaking beautiful. I want to check this out real quick. No carbon ceramics, bro? No. Yeah, this is, dude, I think this is, yeah, it is. This is a Turner wing. Shout out Kyle. This is the wing that Kyle said I should get on my M4, but it's a little much, I think. The wide body STI, dude. I love me a Subaru, dude. I love me a Subaru. That's nice. It's gotta be the nicest RX-7 I've seen. God dang. Look at the 911 Turbo S. God dang. This thing is nice, man. One day. Revuelto. God dang. This is freaking beautiful. Yeah. This is a nice freaking car, man. This is a crazy lineup. A lot of Porsches, a lot of Lambos.
Alright, y'all, it's official. We got an hour left.
Alright, we are heading out of the Toy Barn car show. So we left the car meet. V8 R8. This thing's pretty clean, actually.
Yeah, but you won't have any headaches when something breaks down. If a light goes on this, I literally
Bruh.
Don't go near it.
Alright, so I think with the R8, Brock's leaving, Gabe's leaving, and I'm gonna be leaving now. We could hear the Toy Barn car meet leaving right now with all of their like V12 supercars. So we're gonna head out now too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It was just like a fun little cruise, got out to a car show. Unfortunately we didn't get in it, but next time. So if you guys do want to see what else I end up doing with this car, my other cars, drop a like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.